my besties, how are you? Welcome to my DIY channel. I'm so excited here hanging out with my gnomies. My mom just brought these to me. How cute are they? Oh my gosh, I can't believe they're just $1. Type down below and let me know if you found yours yet. I've seen some of your pictures. I know some of you found a great one. I'm still on the hunt for that one. I cannot wait. I hope my store gets them soon. In the meantime, I hope all of you checked out this beautiful swag wreath. I made that with the little Nomi ornaments. So cute. And I think it might be the cheapest swag out there. That type quality look for under $15, I think. So yeah, definitely worth checking out if you haven't seen it yet. And in today's video, I'm so excited to share with you my new finds, Tinsel tree and a little red truck. Look at that. First time I see the little red truck like that at a Christmas, at the Dollar Tree. And I'm so excited to do something with it. So let's get started, guys. And before we proceed, I ask you please to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because you don't want to miss all the exciting crafts coming up, okay? Let's get started.
And if you are interested to see the gnome swag, you can look up this video. I'm going to provide a link for you in the description box below. And for the first DIY, we're going to transform this little red truck from the Dollar Tree. All we're going to need is some paint. You can use a spray paint or apple barrel paints from Walmart, then only 50 cents a bottle. In addition, we're going to need some greenery, like this boxwood from Walmart. It's only $1, and some red berries, and a little bit of jute string. That's it. First, we're going to remove all the tinsel. It's actually a lot on that little truck and the tree. And you're going to have to take some parts off, actually, to remove all of it. Next, we are going to remove all those little tabs sticking out. I actually remove everything except the ones for the wheels, but later on I wind up removing them as well. Next, I'm using a piece of a cereal box to cover the holes in the roof and the hood, and also on the back. I also use hot glue to attach the piece underneath the car. And just like that, our truck is ready for the paint job. And I'm going to use the hammered metal spray paint. I love it, and I think it gives it a really cool look. And as I'm waiting for it to dry, I'm hanging out with Coco outside, and I want to show you my fig tree. Actually, it's my neighbor's, but a lot of it grows on my side, so I get to enjoy the fruits. Look at all that. Oh my gosh, they're so good. They're just getting ripe now, late in the fall, and just tons of sweetness. Let me know if you tried them before, if you like them, if you grow them. I would love to know. Any tips, any recipes? All right, so the truck is dry, and now I'm going to distress it with some black paint. I just go around the edges, highlight them a little bit, and then I use a little bit of brown paint to give it that rust. Do you like it, or is it too much for you? Of course, you have to do whatever you like, you know. This is what I wanted to achieve, that rustic look. And now these glitter wheels don't go with the whole thing, so I have to paint that and also remove some more of these tabs around there. So I paint the wheels with some gray paint and touch of some black mud, and of course a little bit of the rust around the wheels too. Then I paint the little star on the top of the tree. This is now the right style, and look at those wheels. That truck has been around. It's really beat up. You can actually make it any style that you like. This is just one of the ideas. And as I try to put together the wheels, I realized that they really don't fit once the little knobs were painted. So I just have to remove them and use hot glue to attach the wheels. And the truck is pretty much done. Now we have to just decorate the Christmas tree. I'm just pulling out pieces of the boxwood and attaching it along the lines over there with hot glue. And then I wrap around the top with some jute string. And you see over here at the bottom, I wrap around that too. This turned out to be such a cute rustic little tree, perfect for this track. And I'm just gonna top it off with some berries on the top. Next, I make a little wreath for the front of the track with some berries as well. And this is how it looks. Compatible miniature track you can find at Target for $10. So I think we did a great job here for under $2. I think it's the cutest thing ever. If you agree, please give me thumbs up. And now we move on to the tinsel tree. All we're gonna need to transform it are these dust mops from the Dollar Tree. We're gonna use 2. We just have to remove the tinsel. And wait a minute, surprise! I got 2. Who knew? Well, you in for a treat. We're gonna transform 2 trees. And this one is the easiest DIY ever. All you have to do is put the point of the tree in the corner of the mop, just like that, and use hot glue to wrap it all around. You see, it covers a lot. We're just gonna need to add a second one right there. And we're not gonna even cut it because you know what? It's okay that it overlays on the sides a little bit. Just continue gluing it all around. So just straighten it up, fluff it up a little bit, and I love it just the way it is. I want to achieve that winter wonderland look. I don't know if you've seen the Walmart ornaments yet. They have some amazing, amazing finds there. Look at these little skates for just $1.98 each. You add these on the side and you don't need much more. Maybe some white snowberries. Beautiful. To get that type of tree at Lowe's, you have to spend $16 or wafer.com for a set of $2.75. We got it down for $3, so definitely worth making your own. Possibilities are endless with these trees. We're gonna paint this one white and use the white Deco Mesh. It actually looks like it's covered with snowflakes. They sell it at a Dollar Tree. We're gonna use 2 rolls, and we also gonna need some white zip ties. Mine are a little bit too big, but that's all I have right now. We're gonna cut this Deco Mesh by folding over the corner. So this will be like perfect square. I think it's 5 by 5. And then we're gonna fold it just like that. And we're gonna make little petals. We're gonna fold in one corner and then the second one. And pinch it all in the middle. Make a cute little petal like that. And in the back, it opens up like that. So we're gonna place it that way on the frame, just like so, and attach it with a zip tie. Pull it real hard, fix that petal a little bit and cut off the remainder. And here you can see it better. I think it's gonna work great. I'm gonna cut up the rest and continue making the petals. And let me show you one more time how I did this. And we're going to go around and continue attaching these petals. And yes, I should have done a better job painting my frame. The red still shows. So the first level is done, and now we're going to attach the petals to the next level. Right here in the middle. And here you can see it more up close. I know it's everything white on white, but we're gonna go all around and attach the petals on that level. All right, the second level is all done. And now we're going to attach the petals on the third level, about halfway up right there. You will notice that the top petal is always in the middle of the two below, so they aligned perfectly. So one row is not enough. We're gonna cut up half of the second row. We finish the third level and we move up to the next. All right, we are almost done. We just have to do the tip now. So we're gonna use 4 petals at the top. And as you know, we don't need them as big up there. So we're just gonna have to fold these petals same way, but pinch them more at the top, fold them underneath, just make them look smaller, just like that. And I'm planning to attach all 4 with one zip tie. That's why I'm using a clip to hold them. And as I hold all of them, I just zip tie them all across at the tips there. Of course, you can find a way to attach each individually, but as you know, I'm running out of zip ties. That's all I have on hand. So I made it work, just like this. And next, I just want to add a little bit of color with this snowy fern from the Dollar Tree. I think it's so pretty. I'm cutting it apart to small pieces and inserting in between the petals. And I'm adding some bigger pieces at the bottom there because the frame is still showing here and there. And now I just need a tree topper. My snowflake is a little bit too big, so I'm gonna make it work with these foam shapes. I'm gonna attach one on each side and then cut apart the big snowflake and insert it all around the little one. What do you think? It's a good solution? I think it works out great. And now for the cherry on the top, we're gonna use a string of snowflake lights. I got these at Target, but you can also find them at a Dollar Tree. You gotta look for the ones that are on metal wire, not the green wire, because obviously it will show on this tree. And you can also add a little birdie on the side. I love these Dollar Tree birds, so pretty. And here's the look at the final result. I hope you like it. It was a little bit more effort to make, but I think it's definitely worth it. It costed about $4 or $5 with the lights to make, and I cannot find anything compatible online, and they don't sell anything like that, but I think it's so cute to have. And the light pack is underneath, and there you go. And if you happen to purchase the wooden plaque from the Dollar Tree, and if you're looking for inspiration, make sure you check out this video. This is what I created.
Alright, my besties, so this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had enjoyed that. Don't forget to give me thumbs up, subscribe to my channel because we have many more videos coming up and you don't want to miss them. And if you press the bell, you're going to be notified when we're back here with a new video. Take care, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.